Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee Michelle with Top Notch Designs. Did your pocket zipper break on your pants or come unaligned to where now you can no longer zip up your pocket and it's just splits open? You don't want to lose that wallet. You don't want to throw away your expensive pants. So we'll teach you how to do an easy fix on this. This is a quick tutorial on how to realign this zipper so that you can zip it up. So let's get started. First, we're going to need some pliers. Next, we're going to need some nippers. And then we're going to need a bottom stop. And let's go ahead and get started here. So first thing is you want to take the side that is misaligned and you want to remove all your extra coils off the bottom of the misaligned side. So the side that came off track. Then you want to take your slider and pull it down, and you want to realign it like so and zip it up. It's that easy, but we're not done. You can sew across the bottom if you wanted to, or you can add a bottom stop. We're going to sew across the bottom, so we're going to unzip it slightly, not all the way. We're going to flip this inside out. We're going to take our pliers and our bottom stop, and we are going to, let me turn this around so you can see it. Right above where the coils are gone, we're going to add the bottom stop, and we're going to push it through so that the side with the pokies are showing through. And we're going to give a good squeeze. And we're going to pinch, pinch, pinch to lock it. And you want to make sure you can rub up against it and not scratch your fingers. If you can, you want to pinch it a little more. Pinch, pinch, pinch. And then you want to rub up against it and make sure that it's nice and flush. This is nice and flush. And now you can zip it down, and it's not going to split open. And you have just repaired your pocket without having to throw away your pants or buy a new pair of pants or even replace the zipper on it. This is the inside where your bottom stop is. So the fatter part is on the inside so that we can hide it so that it still looks really nice on this side. And there you have it. That is all. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, we thank you for watching today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, I hope you have a top-notch day. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.